So if you were at the past two major Antweight events, Orcs 1 and Antweight World Series 68, you may have seen this, as well as at the Bristol Bot Builder Subterranean Showdown. So this is my first attempt at building a undercutter spinner robot, and its name is Uh-oh, You Found the Toothpaste, which I would have thought that a lot of people would have gotten the reference, but
Uh-oh, you found the toothpaste? Let's get one thing clear. I can brush my teeth all by myself, okay?
I guess not. Anyway, so it's two-wheel driven. Can't really see much of the inside. Now, this was how it was supposed to be with a Brewster bar. But this whole thing, the last time I weighed it was about 164 grams. So this had to use a different blade. So this was the version. This is a picture of it with the titanium blade on it, which was previously used in a machine called Super Nintendo Chalmers, which I hope to work on a version 4, by the way. Going to be having that in the designing phase hopefully soon. It did have two eyes originally on it, but I ran out of googly eyes, so it's only got the one in. And there's a little bit of my skin there because of the fact that I put a bit too much super glue on it. Now, recently I did take this to the Bristol Bot Builder Subterranean Showdown, which was a Beetleweight event. I did try applying with Abu Dhabi Doo, but I didn't make the final draw, unfortunately. So I ended up taking a few Antweights, and they did have an Antarina there. And I decided to test out Uh-Oh, You Found the Toothpaste with the Brewster bar on to see how it would do in combats. And let's just take a look and see how that went down. Okay, here we go. Well, I need something to test it on. Is that a spinner?
Yeah.
Right, I gotta make rather a chassis or scraps or something. Right, so that works.
Let's see what we can do it. So basically,
Alright.
You'll see how. No, it's good.
and then it'll be more satisfying.
Right.
Ready?
And what's right for that?
Yes, I'm
3,
ready.
2, 1, have it.
Oh! I've no idea what we're... Oh, I gotta stop spinning. I want to try. I want a chance to spin up. So it's like this.
Put the camera down then.
No,
Priority, right? Give the camera to someone else.
it's just a test. Are you good?
Ready?
I don't need both hands.
3, 2, 1.
Good job.
Yeah. Everything's going on here. Yeah.
No, you don't. We're very big on safety. Do not do that. Very, very big on safety. So this is like polycarbonate with polycarbonate.
It's jammed.
Oh,
Oh wait. Incredible!
Press the stop button and jump on
Oh no, we're not doing it. It's just a. That's a.
Just get it over here.
It's sort of.
Just get behind it. Elliot, just get behind it.
Ah.
Yes.
How do I move?
Got him.
Right, where's the other side?
When you try to hit,
Just cut him. Just cut him. Just cut him. Cut him.
Wait, here you are.
Get him over here. Just get him over here. Upside down.
Yes.
I want you to break it.
you ain't breaking this room.
Attention. The question is, how can you do it so skillfully with one hand?
It's nice, isn't it?
OCD. Oh my god. What? Okay.
Try that again.
I can't. It's jammed.
I think you're hitting your own robot.
Wow.
Yeah. Okay, there's one last time. The titanium is strong. The titanium is strong. So this was the end result, and it's a prime example of why stainless steel blades aren't really a good idea for combat robots. Tom, when are you going to make these blades out of titanium, please? I need a titanium version. Anyway, the funny thing is, I did try doing another version where the armour was a millimetre thinner, because it's 4mm in some places in there, but I did do it from 4 to 3. But originally this was actually supposed to be a walker, but I need some bearings for the shuffler mechanism and I couldn't get it done on time. So this was actually based off the walker, and the proportions for roller form are wrong and the wheels aren't touching the ground when it's this way up. So the next plan is, I have actually designed my own blade, which is asymmetrical, and I have been very careful balancing two sides. So I actually split it into 3 parts. So this side, that, and that end there. I kind of did that off camera a little bit. But I went a bit OCD, and the balancing on my design for the asymmetrical blade should be correct, unlike the one I did quite a few years ago. Now the next plan is to get this blade placed onto this, which is going to be called, at the end of the day, It's Not That Funny, Is It? But I'll show this off in action in another video. Curious to know, that's probably not going to hold up very well, even though I did paint some acetone on the ABS so that the layers could hold together, but just have to wait and see how that goes down. So, until then, this was You Found the Toothpaste.